project. Lokal na pamahalaan,
posible ang pangarap mo ay kaya mong abutin.
Yung starting position natin ganyan, okay? Ngayon, tingnan niyo yung mga partner nyo. Ang sabihin nyo, friend, bagay sa'yo.
Kaya mong kuwani, bakit mo papapapagaling? Say, oh, para mo hawakan mo ang makikisunikay. Walang limitasyon ang pagkasalay. Para mo hawakan mo ang makikisunikay.
Nagpapatawa lang po ako para hindi tayo makatulog. Okay lang po kayo? Okay lang. No? Kasi po, alam niyo po, bago po ako maging speaker at trainer, dati po ako stand-up comedian. Pero nag-resign po ako sa trabaho ko kasi lagi ko nila ako pinagtatawanan.
Sa paros at dalag na merong wika logo. Lahat ng simula nakipikit ko ang mata at nangarap nakakapal din ang busa. Walang imposible kahit na nanggaling sa wala determinado. Kahit na sakali nagmula na sa
James Green, Harrison Ford, Brian White. Palapakan niyo naman.
ang gusto mo at ito yung makakawin. Isayangin ang iyong oras at panahon sa mga bagay na ayaw mo. Kung ano ang iniisip mo ay kaya mong kuhanin.
Bubuhay ko ng pag-attend ko ng mga seminars, ito yung pinakamasaya na hindi ako inantok, hindi ako tinamas. Lahat pumasok sa utak ko dahil doon sa speaker natin na si Sir Dan Laplaga.
Okay? Now, let me explain why. Because they think they are attractive. Pero pangalan ko namin Roger. Bakit mo Roger? Pangalan ko yung asawa ko. Ayun kasi siya. Okay? Pampaitin lang po. Ang maganda po dito, kaya niyang pahabain lahat ng pwedeng umaba.
Papasalamat po kay Sir Dan kasi talagang marami akong natutunan higit sa lahat sa public speaking, how to deliver yung kanyang topic sa grupo na katulad ng ginawa namin na talagang antukin kayong ganyang oras pero napakagaling ni Sir Dan talaga kasi naging attentive kami lalo na ako. Pero yung topics niya na-explain niya ng mabuti lahat. So nagkaroon ako ng kaalaman lalo.
1, 2, 3, go! Ang layo yun. Para hindi tayo makatulog. Pag sinabi ko po, everybody wake up your partner, ang gagawin niyo po sa partner niyo, hindi na siya raw. Tatapikin niyo po yung balikat, at sasabihan niyo ng, Hoy, gising! Yung, nalapakan niyo lang po. Okay. So, pakinggan naman po natin tunog ng grupo ng snake. Yan, okay. Parang ano lang, sa CR lang po Okay. Pang-apat naman po. Pakinggan natin ang tunog ng mga giraffe. Yan lang. Parang halos ano po kayo konektado Umiiwi tapos
Ako'y nagpapasalamat kay Sir Dan at sa kanyang grupo, lalo na kay Sir Dan Agapa, sa kanyang pag-deliver ng kanyang topic.
Sabihin mo, oh, oh, walang imposible.
Hindi ka makakatulog sa kanya, hindi ka antukin dahil sa kanya palang every topic may mga nabatin siya na talagang hindi ka makatulog. Talagang attentive yung mga members and yung nandito mga participants. So ako nagpapasalamat dahil marami akong nakuha values and principles. Amazing!
Sabihin mo, oh, oh, walang imposible. Gusto na marami pera, hindi na planeta hanggang
ito po dito yung taas ng kanang kamay. Masaya po. Lahat po ba dito meron na? Lahat po ba? Kaya pala konti lang yung masaya. Pabigyan niyo po yung tao na sa kanan niyo, sabihin niyo masaya ako nandito ba? Sabihin niyo kaliwa naman po, kaliwa. Pabigyan niyo yung tao na sa kaliwa, sabihin niyo mas masaya kung wala ka.
joker. At the same time, marami siya mga samples. Nabigyan tayo ng pag-asa. At inshallah, lahat yung itinuro niya, i-apply natin.
At parang bandang likod sila ibang narinig ko po. Together again. Sino rin dito ang nananalangin na someday mawala na yung kanilang ilutangan?
Sarili ko, sir, kaya ako lahat na bibigyan ako ng chance. Sir Dan, maraming salamat kasi napakaganda ng explain mo ang topic. Pipita.
Buhay po, Sir Dan.
Sir Dan and the group, sana sa muli meron pang another topic na gagawin or level up. Hoy, gising! Sabi ni Sir Dan, no? Sir, hoy, gising! Kaya yun talaga yung pagkahalo sa amin. So, attentive and very energetic yung mga participants.
Success is not something you pursue, you know? It's something you attract by the person you become. So it's not actually what we are getting, it's what we are becoming as a person.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you.
One of the gift of God to us is our freedom to choose. Let's start with the inner circle first, okay? And then after the inner circle, next to the outer circle. So we need to read it aloud. So
I've written down, I'm really joyful, grateful, and contented. Also fulfilled that it felt like I haven't realized the things that they have said that I am as a and I am also more appreciative of myself since I really don't appreciate what I'm doing for others. So just keep on doing it, and I am more aware of who I am. So, yeah.
With
close your eyes for a moment.
every star,
Close your eyes.
we are
I want you to
born
inhale. Inhale and exhale. Right? Imagine that blue light
spend less time in your head.
circling around your body. The sky. Imagine that you feel the energy. You feel the power. You feel you have been unleashed. That you have such deep developed. So can you give yourself a round of applause?
Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land.
Just believe, just believe.
To build a wall,
Good one. All right.
lift me up in your branches. We can watch the sunrise.
Hi, my name is John Victoria. I am the owner of Pollyanna, a digital marketing company focused on helping grow businesses, and we're based in Arlington, Virginia. So I want to give a quick testimonial to DATS Training Consultancy. They just conducted our annual company retreat. Some frustrations that we had going into the retreat was that we felt that because we are a virtual digital marketing company, we didn't have that deep connection that you get from being in person. And also, our team is mainly based in the Philippines, and so we felt that sometimes there wasn't always that full, like, hey, here's how I'm feeling, here's how things are going. And so we shared that with our facilitators, and the amazing thing is that they delivered. We went through a number of exercises, from sharing our goals, our dreams, our values, to sharing what we find valuable in the strengths of our teammates. And so I think coming out at the end of this retreat, this facilitation, I feel like our team is a lot closer. We got a lot of laughs in, a lot of smiles, and just really, really thankful, grateful for this amazing facilitation. So if you're looking for an amazing team to help run your retreats or to help connect your team, whether it's virtual or in person, definitely reach out to the DATS Training Consultancy. So take care, everyone.